Chief Minister Okram Ibobi says government is considering setting up of a nurses' college at Jenims as trained nurses from Manipur are in great demand in other countries. Results of Class 12 examinations conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education in Manipur announced. Pass percentage is 65.22. Sit-ins demanding implementation of inner line permit system continue at various parts of the state in support of JCI-LPS movement. And family performs last rites of Vitaranjan 18 days after his body was found at Gasokole. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laitingma Monica, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today stated that the state government is considering setting up of a nursing college at Jenims as trained nurses from the state are in great demand in Southeast Asian countries. Speaking at the International Nurses Day celebration on the theme Nurses, a Force for Change, Improving Health Systems, Resilience today at the auditorium of Jenims, the Chief Minister urged the nurses to serve the patients with humanity. He also appealed to them to follow the footsteps of Florence Nightingale, who dedicated her life for the service of mankind. The day was jointly organized by the Trained Nurses Association of India Manipur branch and Nurses Association Jenims unit.
Medical department da thabak tawriba mayam singse masidi humanity gi miyoi bagi direct seva tawbne ba masi aina haijai se Jenims khapta thabak tawba sing khidnate whether it may be in the RIMS or state health services or private nursing institution aduga private akoigi health care center laiba mayam sija khangde or babina khane tawriba akoi mayam punamak singse aina ngasi Jenims khapta haijabi wantaba seva tawbiriba mayam punamak singse miyoi bagi seva tawbani hangoiba tuga jaba karimta leitana seva tawraga pelhanbado madu ikhoina ngamaba matamda da akoigi Florence Nightingale penjaba apamadu oigani.
Advisor of Nurses Association and retired nurses were also felicitated on the occasion. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of cleanliness competition. Casualty ward bagged the first prize, followed by female orthopedics ward and antenatal ward. The celebration was attended by members of Trained Nurses Association of India Manipur branch, Nurses Association, nursing students and staff of Jenims. In his address, Health and Family Welfare Minister D. Korongthang stated that healthcare sector is very important and everyone has to play a big role in maintaining cleanliness in the hospital premises. He also lauded the role of nurses and appealed to the nurse community to be more determined and render their service.
Fataba habit koi thadok patai admasi neat and clean thamana basi nurse khak kinataba doctor singe khak tantaba hospital da tabak suri babi singe khak kinataba laiba anaba seba toba aduga yingba lakpa bimum khuding mak kisu masi koi khuding mak ki ithoni basi ai khanja ninge aduga koi khuding mak na masi ki thodang siloba kanda koi Manipur asi change Manipur aduga develop Manipur yamna top pa North East kisu hena chawkatpa Manipur oihaning bagi damak tamasi appeal tawjaning bani.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today saw the progress of the construction of new academic block of Jenims. According to sources, the new academic block of Jenims, which is under construction, is built at an estimated cost of 70 crore rupees. The Chief Minister advised the contractor to finish ground levelling work before the onset of monsoon. Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar today declared the results of the much-awaited Class 12 examinations conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. The minister also announced that a grade system will be done away from next year and the results will be declared in merit basis. 17,566 students out of 26,934 appeared passed in the examination. Pass percentage is 65.22. The pass percentage is up by 4.11% as compared to last year. This year recorded pass percentage of 60.9 in art stream, 67.11 in science and 58.25 in commerce stream. Declaring the results at the Office of Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur at Babupara, the Education Minister stated that the grade system that began in 2013 will be scrapped and replaced by the merit list based on marks obtained and listed division-wise from 2017. Ratan Kumar also stated that topper of each subject and list of those who secured more than 80% aggregate will also be announced from 2017.
2017, the Council of Higher Secondary Education low exam we merit list in all streams, arts, science and commerce announcement merit list in each subject all subjects highest mark score results division wise first, second division students the 80% and above on the campus distinction with letter. These are the four important announcements that I like to make, and I like to congratulate all those students who have successfully passed in this higher secondary examination 2016.
People today stage sit-ins at different places along the National Highway number 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road in support of the GCILPS movement for implementation of inner line permit in the state. Sit-ins were held at Sagolban Mantri Leirak, Bijoy Govinda, Tera Amudon, Tera Bazar, Tera Lokam Leirak, Tera Lukram Leirak, Awang Kuno, Kumbong, Brighter Academy Kumbong, Urembam and Patsoi. Placards that read, "Convert 3 bills to act, ban non-local from contesting election and casting vote" were used during the peaceful sit-in and also shouted slogans. Protesters placed lock and burnt tires at Sagolban Thangapat, causing great deal of inconveniences to the traffic. Sit-in was staged today at Thamaiban Sinam Lekai, organized by Naharo Laisemba Club in support of GCILPS movement. Various placards demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state, including prohibition of non-locals to vote and punishment to the police personnel involved in the assault of a woman, were displayed at the sit-in. Students from different schools of Nambol area formed human chain at Nambol Bazaar under the aegis of GCILPS Students Wing, Bishnupur district, as a part of the ILP stir to implement ILPS in the state. Students also shouted slogans like "Save Manipur," "Implement inner line permit in Manipur," "Prohibit non-local from contesting election," "Convert the 3 ILP bills to an act." Bishnupur Police Commandos DSP and John and his team kept a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incident during the event. Thobal Achoba Chaukhat Khongthang Nupi Marup and Merapaibi also organized a sit-in at Thobal Achoba Mela ground demanding immediate implementation of inner line permit system in the state. The population of Sangay has increased to 260, while that of hawk deer has reached 276 at Kebulamjau National Park. According to the latest census report, the number of the state animal Sangay has increased by 56 compared to the last census. The Wildlife Wing of Forest Department conducted 3-day survey of the brow-antlered deer on March 29 and 31 and April 2 at Kebulamjau and 1-day census at Laifum Phumlak and Yawalamjau on April 3 and 7 this year respectively. Forest and Environment Minister I. Hemochandra today told the media at his office at Babupara that the government has been paying due attention to protect the endangered animal. He said the number of Sangay was only 14 when Kebulamjau was declared a national park. Hemochandra said their number has increased due to the efforts of the Forest Department. The minister appealed to the people for their cooperation to protect the animal.
Kebulamjau National Park, Haiba Park asidi 1970 ga akoigi 7 da 1977 da set up tawuni aduga akoigi census sama adu matam da tawu matam da Sangay si supna gi 13 gatang lairame. Hojikti Shanghai ki population ji yam phajana lai re 260 and around about 300 260 270 akoi gi yamna akoi gi phajaba sizable numbers ji lai re hat pa natlaga Shanghai phaba masida chap chana madu gi dandi akoi piba gi law da lai jarabane sahi taret phadok piu haiba lai.
Sagolban MLA RK Imo today clarified that President and the 3 Vice Presidents of Sagolban Block Congress Committee have not left the Congress Party. He said only a few members of the party left. RK Imo said if they were true members of the party, they would not have left the party over the issue of not getting the party ticket in Imphal Municipal Corporation elections. The news of Ward number 10, member number 2 Wangkhem Devraj's leaving the party is baseless and he would continue to work for the Congress Party. Sagolban Block Congress Committee Vice President Thongnaujam Brajamani maintained that the Congress Party is still very strong in Sagolban constituency.
Mahak Hanadesu Congress Party ki member mani aduna Mahak Party desu tok pa yaute aduga tok pada natana tok tabagi kano adugumba yu wafam natana lairiba haiba member si akoi MLA ga ngasi dagi pulap samina ba haitana koi leminaraga lakadauba election si ward member 2 gi candidate amana oina Congress ki party ki official member gi madugumba candidate mo oigani haidna ina sila thamjani.
State Election Commission today issued public notice for the elections to elect 1 councillor and 2 ward development committee members for each ward of the Imphal Municipal Corporation. The date for filing of nominations is May 17, date for scrutiny May 18, last date for withdrawal of candidatures May 20, date of poll June 2 and counting of votes June 6. The polling will be held from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Date of repoll, if any, is June 4. State Election Committee MPCC has cleared the names of the final candidates for the forthcoming Imphal municipal elections. MPCC has announced names of 25 candidates who would be contesting the municipal elections on Congress ticket. Secretary General of Janata Dal United in a press release stated that those intended to contest the upcoming Imphal Municipal Corporation election in JDU ticket may avail the application form from the party office till May 16. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piba car Sigi features Sindi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalisang mga kata na book Tawbiharo, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. Family and relatives of Bachaspati Mayum Pitaranjan alias Korabin today collected his body from the RIMS morgue and performed the last rites. It may be recalled that Pitaranjan went missing after he left home to meet his girlfriend in Kangkumkul on April 19. He was found dead under suspicious circumstances in the jungle of Kangkumkul, which is 30 km of Kasomkolen in Ukhrul district on April 24. Meanwhile, the JAC against the murder of Pitaranjan has clarified that the decision to collect the body for cremation was taken considering the sentiments of the family. The JAC maintains that it has not withdrawn the demands and will continue their agitation until the culprits are put behind bars. The JAC has been demanding the government to arrest the culprits. Kumanthem Daina Devi, 24th ranker in the UPSC Civil Service Examination 2015, has stated that she will work against corruption as an example and discharge her responsibility with integrity. Daina was replying to media on the sidelines of her facilitation organized by Samaj Kanbanupi Loop and social upliftment organization Singjamei Top Lekai at Singjamei Community Hall. Forest and Environment Minister I. Hemochandra also attended the event. Members of various organizations and well-wishers who attended the event presented gifts to Daina and wished her for every success in her future endeavor.
corruption doesn't exist only in Manipur, it exists everywhere. People have taken it as a part of their life. That is the biggest mistake actually. So, I cannot change everyone. I can lead by example. Example, I'll try to work with full integrity. I have the influence of the
The Association of Manipur Muslim Students yesterday felicitated S. Askar Ali, who secured 167th rank in the Civil Services Examination 2015 held by UPSC. Askar Ali was presented with gifts at the event held at Delhi University Park North Campus. An earthquake measuring 4.8 on a Richter scale shook the state around 1:25 p.m. today. The epicenter of the earthquake is recorded at a place near border in Chandel district. No casualties have been reported yet. Two-day national seminar on financial inclusion in India began today at the Court Hall of Manipur University. The seminar is hosted by the university's Department of Commerce under the sponsorship of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. In a speech, General Manager of Reserve Bank of India, Imphal, Thangzamwan Hoswal, said the RBI has been working on BPL people to easily access the bank as a part of bringing financial inclusion. He mentioned that the RBI has already relaxed the KYC norms. Thangzamwan Hoswal stressed that the people need to know what exactly the financial inclusion is. He also underlined the need to create awareness among the people by holding financial literacy camps in various parts of the state. A souvenir was also released at the event. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor HNK Sharma, said all need to understand finance to achieve development. He also emphasized that the loanees must develop the habit to repay loans.
Why finance? Without finance, we cannot do anything. Finance is the engine, finance is the energy. In terms of energy, when we share, finance is the energy. Finance is everything that runs the system, that runs the economy. This should have very stable financial growth. So now finance has become the fuel or an engine of the economy for the development of the society. This is why everyone is talking about finance, and the nation will grow if financial inclusion is there in all the citizens of the country. So it seems to me that having large number of cars, having large number of assets, having large number of your capital, if it is not moving, it is not churning, then development will not.
Two-day Independent People's Tribunal on Crime Against Women organized by Women Action for Development Ward began at the Classic Hotel. Ward Secretary Sobita Mangsatavam said crime against women in the state is increasing day by day. She said many victims waiting for justice have lost hope from the administration. Sobita Mangsatavam said the tribunal, which consists of a retired judge and a retired DGP, will decide on further course of action after hearing the cases. 20 cases from 2010 to 2016 from all the districts of the state will be discussed on the second day tomorrow.
Retired Justice Samaga aduga retired DGP anisigi mamangda koina thamaga madudagi makoina putrokpa recommendation observation do adu akoi masigi output of this kano haitare ko tribunal si akoina outcome se akoina kano da government akoi submit tawgani adugi matungda akoi makhata ba akoi PIL tawgadra aduga high court ta punna thagadra haibado akoina decide tawgani.
Imphal Municipal Corporation has appealed to the people to relax the persons engaged in cleaning the city and solid waste management to keep Imphal city neat and clean during bands and general strikes. Commissioner of Imphal Municipal Corporation Ngangom Uttam today told the media that the efforts of the corporation to keep the city neat and clean with the help of about 10 non-governmental organizations are often hampered by ban and general strikes. He appealed for relaxation for persons engaged in the maintenance of the capital city during bans and blockades.
Laibaki oiba issue kaya na maram oidana matamgi ban general strike kumba tawbusina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯔꯄꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯠꯄ ꯁꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯄꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯣꯟꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯣꯟꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯋꯥ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ NGO private ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡ private agencies-ing ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ solid waste management-ꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯌꯦꯠꯄ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ.
Candidates vying to contest in the Imphal Municipal Corporation election on June 2 hoisted flags of their respective parties today. Yumna Mindrani, CPI candidate from Ward number 26 under Wangkai Assembly constituency, today hosted the party flag at her house in Chingmairong. The function was attended by members of CPI, CPIM and CPI Liberation. CPI leader L. Sotin Kumar said the left party will field common candidates in the upcoming election. The drivers of loaded trucks stranded on Sangaipro FCI Godown Road since February this year have been facing a number of inconveniences as they are not allowed to unload at the FCS Godown. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union General Secretary Maimom Anil Maitei today told the media at a press meet at the union's office at MG Avenue that transporters and drivers are suffering as rice and wheat brought from Silchar, Assam on Imphal-Ziribam National Highway 37 are yet to be unloaded. He appealed to the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Khetrimayum Biren to allow them unload the food items at Sangaipro FCI Godown.
Hojik barak thong da ekhoi nakan da leiriba guard sing si happy da sing che masisu honorable minister na yengchin biduna ekhoi gi driver sing na gari thobada awaba leiriba mayam si kohon bina ba minister su hona binakna ba union gi maikei gi thamjari maku thong irang thong barak thong na singba yadana leiriba kangbu sing su BRO na sembi da na leiriba mayam sing se honorable minister na yam kupna yengchin biduna masi RCC gi anoba adungba honorable minister na anoba pairak pasida Sembiduna Manipur Pusalliba Siangsak Punamak asi Lagi Singsi, Gari Pusallimni, Gari Singsi, Awa Singsi, Minister Yamna Kumni Yang Smiduna, Honorable Minister Sembi Nanaba, Honorable Minister Gipuning Sinjari.
Protesting contractors locked the Central Public Work Department office on the Imphal Airport complex. Contractors are protesting against the non-release of bills amounting to 25 crore rupees by CPWD Manipur Project Division for construction of one of the national project NIT Langol. Contractors accused the CPWD of delaying the release of the bills after making them work under the department's rule and regulation since March. Speaking to Impact News, spokesperson of CPWD Working Contractors Association Manipur, Kumukcham Subhas, appealed to authorities to release the bills so that scores of students of the state can benefit after completion of the project.
Mamang to Hanjan Moida Pauchi Pig Rabani, Exmind on Matamzana payments at Hadopiu, Matamzana reminder PBU, client department, Matamzana Panpasa Lobu, Nasi Madungamdre, Aduna, department, Akui Saitaki Portesi, Sumo, form of the Torosi and Akumam Lepaga, I see Punsalaga, Opis Lockdown Tore, Atubum Matamda, Hyde Pisasi clear to view, Masi until unless when Yanabama Porpungam Dagadi Moina, where the students of Piraba, Tabaxi Sudaba, Makatan, Sudan, Pisan, Sasum Lere. People money have later.
Relief materials were distributed to the people whose houses were damaged by hailstorm in Irong Chesaba in Wabagai Assembly constituency on the 21st and 24th of last month. The Irong Gram Panchayat distributed GI sets to 630 households at Irong High Madrasa. Irong Mayai Lekai, Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat Muhammad Abdul Salam, said the government has not provided any relief for the victims yet. He also expressed concern at the non-functioning of SDC office and said it remains closed till date. He said the relief material was provided by the people of the village as the government failed to provide any aid to the victims. It may be mentioned that around 30 people whose houses were damaged are taking shelter at Irong Ideal High School with the help of the villagers at the moment. The Pradhan appealed to the authorities concerned to look into the matter.
Irong Prajana SDC da concern SDC da Satpa Matamda Thong Hangamde, Sarkargi Maikati Karigumba Ama initiative Lobi Dabadagi, Irungi Prajana, Tukimatic ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯏꯔꯣꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ಮಿꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Meanwhile, Kuki Chiefs Association Technopol Bloc in a press release urged the authority concerned to provide GI sets for the villagers affected by recent hailstorm that wreaked havoc at several villages under the bloc. One-day mid-brain activation awareness workshop for young students was held yesterday at Thaudam Sarat Memorial Sana Leipak Girls School at Dibong Ward number 10 for the first time in Jiribam. The workshop was held on student personality and mid-brain activation, a lifetime gift to your child. Directorate of Commerce and Industries has invited applications for the Handloom and Textile Technology Diploma course for 3 years at Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. The student should be Class 10 pass and should be between 15 to 23 years. Applications should be sent before June 10. Interview will be held from June 15 to 20. Details can be had from Directorate of Commerce and Industries. The government of India has no plans to revoke the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Jammu and Kashmir and northeastern states. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Haribhai Pratibhai Chaudhary yesterday informed the Rajya Sabha in reply to a written question on whether the government had plans to revoke AFSPA in Jammu and Kashmir and the northeastern states. Chaudhary said the government has not received any information from its sources about conducive atmosphere prevailing in the states for lifting Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA. The minister was responding to a question by PDP MP Nazir Ahmed Lawe. Now the sports news. Eastern Kolkata Veteran FC and Football Veteran Welfare Association Mapal Kangjabeung will clash in the final of the 18th Challenge Cup Veteran Football Tournament. In the first semi-final match played today, a lone goal from SK Sikandar led Eastern Kolkata Veteran FC to victory against FC Impal Meaikoibi 1-0. While in the second semi-final match, Football Veteran Welfare Association Mapal Kangjabeung defeated UVSA Lilong Chajing 3-1 to book a berth in the final. The final match will be played on the 14th of this month. Monsoon Tennis Championship organized by Manipur Tennis Association kicked off today at Officers Club, Lamphel-Pat. Moistone Bankim, Azad Khan, Tulesho, Bona, Ranjan Jiten, Raveshkar, Devasis and Sanatomba defeated their opponent in the first round and entered into the next round of the men's open event. In the matches of the 6th Hockey Indian Sub-Junior Men's National Hockey Championship B Division matches played today, Hockey Bihar defeated Hockey Karnataka 3-2. Assam Hockey defeated Hockey Rajasthan 9-2. Citizen Hockey 11 Delhi Trust Mumbai Schools Sports Association 6-1. Dadra Nagar Haveli Hockey Association defeated Namdhari 11 Punjab 2-1. Vidarbha Hockey Association defeated Hockey Madhya Pradesh 7-6. Hockey Jammu and Kashmir dropped Hockey Puducherry 4-0. The 6th league round matches of the 21st Y. Nilamani Memorial State Level Open Chess Tournament organized by the Singjamai Chess Club concluded today. Total 43 players are participating in the tournament that kicked off at the Manipur College Imphal's indoor hall. And Bankim and O Ningthem is leading by 5 points each, while A. Chakri Tombi S. Premjit, K.H. Sanjoy and R.K. Sudhir Sana is following with 4.5 points each. The 7th round of the tournament would be played on the 14th of May, which would be followed by the closing ceremony of the tournament. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi says government is considering setting up of a nurses' college at Jenims as trained nurses from Manipur are in great demand in other countries. Results of Class 12 examinations conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur announced. Pass percentage is 65.22. Sit-ins demanding implementation of inner line permit system continue at various parts of the state in support of DCILPS movement. And family performs last rites of Vitaranjan 18 days after his body was found at Kasomkolen.